token a certain of time to launch the application, Unity applications. Okay, here we have, here we first go to Asset Store. Let's wait for the connections. First, let's switch the building platforms to Android system. Let's switch platform. Okay, and here is the player settings. First, we must know that the default company should be written by yourself, your company's name, because we use Fudan University. And this is lesson 1. Okay, and here is the Fudan University lesson 1. All that okay. Then we go to Asset Store, and we maximize this window, and we go to My Assets. Okay, and then we find both component. Okay, let's import this bolt plugin, and here we install bolt. Okay, let's install bolt, import. Okay, here let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, first we go to next. Okay, we first bypass this window because we want to import the WaveSDK here. So we go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and we go to the WaveSDK. Here we have we can download the newest one by search WaveSDK. Okay. That should be the WaveSDK, the newest WaveSDK. Okay, the 3.1.6. This is the version. And use the plugin and Unity plugin. Let's use the WVR underline Unity underline SDK Unity package and open it. Okay, let's import it. It will cost you a few minutes to load the package. Okay, that's clear. Okay, here comes the an error, that is the GUI layers has been removed. So it is not bothering you. You can change the code by fixing this error. Okay, here comes the error part. So we just comment these 2 lines. Okay, that is enough. Okay, Okay, here it will bump up a window that problem. Okay, here comes the window. Oh, okay, the window. First, we accept all. WaveSDK all. I think that's correct. Okay, we made the right choice. Next, human name. And here we comes the next part, type options. Here we want to add some types here for you to use in the boat. Use boat to program the WaveSDK. First, we must use the wave. Here comes the WaveSDK. Some types. We must use some types that is essential for the VR software development. So we used Wave VR controller. VR controller. That is, we want to import. And the next is device of VR. Okay, that's device of VR. And if you will encounter some WaveSDK internal data types, data structures, I think you can use the Wave VR vector 3 and Wave VR pose T or Wave VR I pose T maybe. And the first two Wave VR controller and device of VR should be selected by default, and the next three parts is not very essential. So let's go to generate. Okay, this will cost you some times to analyze the code base and generate the unit database. Okay, this is the unit database building part. Okay, let's close it. Okay, here we will going to place a VR.prefabs. Yeah, the VR prefabs here, and we want to place Wave VR into our scene, and set the position maybe to 1.5 meters, because we think that is the average height of the human. And also you can choose VR buttons that define the interactions between the user and the VR world. And here comes HMD buttons, that is enter, and the dominant button, that we have 3 buttons: trigger, touchpad, and the menu. And the no dominant buttons, 3 comes trigger, touchpad, and menu. Okay. And we have to load our controller here. And if you have only one controller, that is HTC Focus, so you can just load one that is dominant. And I suggest you follow the head. That's okay. And if you want to track the position of the VR or of the device, I suggest you put some pose tracker and add some components that the device pose tracker that is dominant, and maybe another controller pose tracker that is dominant. So if you are running, the controller's position will be the controller position will be reflected in these position properties and the rotations. Okay. So we all finished the settings of the our thing. So we go to our bolt coating. Okay, let's go to see the bolt. Let's see bolt flow machine. Let's make a new flow machine. Here we make macros. Okay, here comes the controller. Okay, let's edit the graph. First, we want to know that if we want to know how the controller, the VR device controller, that is such kind of the handle or the stick positions, you must know which is it going to import. So we add a unit. We found out import. Okay, this is not imported here, so we just add some VR controller. Okay, that's VR controller. Okay, here comes two types. We will import type. Okay, and here comes the dominant controller. And if we want to catch up the press up to know whether the user has pressed some buttons, we can use the get pressed down. Okay, that is the device get pressed. Device of VR controller. Okay, here we might be missed some parts. Let's go to State Wizard with next human name, and next, and we lost one. That is device VR controller. We lost one. Okay. Yes, and let's build the code base again. Okay, close. Okay, here we can use such kind of unit get press. Okay, here we come of device VR controller get press. So we control flow here and this component here, and here we come button. We have come the menu grip D-pad app, or the maybe some kind of touchpad. When you press the touchpad, okay, here it will comes a branch. Okay, if you press the touchpad, something happen here. And also, if you want to use some kind of want to get access of touchpad, you can say get device get access. Okay, here get access. Okay, here comes the control flow here, and we go to that access. Access here is a touchpad. Okay, touchpad has two. Here comes 2D vector, and here get a LX and get a Y, and you can choose these kind of things to catch the X input and the Y input. Okay, that is mechanism of getting the controller status. And here comes our first tutorial of how to use both and the WaveSDK. Thanks for watching.